Yeko.
Kwa mae dari.
Ta imagine na kweli wate gutire irema. Muda toka kumenya ko irema mo ikaikarania.
Yes.
Niguo menyaga they are very heated.
Yes.
And that's the reason why you even go to see the in-laws.
Yes.
Yes.
It gets a bit tough.
Yes, and she tells you, why don't we go to our village, and you tell her it rains a lot.
Yeah.
And it is in January.
Remember the last time we were there?
We got stuck.
Yeah, I'm not able to get stuck. Yes, to get stuck again.
And I told you I'm going to change my car. Now it is 3 years down the line. I've not been able to change my Duet.
Oh yes.
It's a Toyota Duet.
Yes.
We got stuck at the belly.
And you know there are those valleys, 2 valleys next to your home.
Yes.
Where it will be touched in the stomach.
That's when you tell her, you know, one thing I want to tell you that I never told you.
Yes.
I cannot be able to be going to your place.
Yes.
And then being given a Homer.
Yes.
So that I can be able to climb up to the main road.
Yes. Maybe we talk to the MC to make that road.
And you also tell her,
yes,
if it is a must that we go there,
yes,
why don't you tell your parents, instead of us meeting them at Nyahururu,
we meet them at in a hotel somewhere.
Let us meet them at Naivasha.
Or give
at Heritage. Let's go. There's a friend of mine who is known as Joanna of Makoko.
Yes.
We can meet him there.
Oh yes.
That's when you know that it is hidden.
Yes.
Yes.
And Jesus says, from the time you loved me,
yes,
you have only gone to my parents only twice.
And then you tell her in your heart, it is small in your heart. You know the other very beautiful women have been seeing around.
Who come from? Yes,
who come from better areas, flat areas.
There's one from Dubai, and it's just like in town.
Yes, and you are telling her, small in your heart.
Don't joke with me.
Go here.
Kono akora kwao. Lekondo wetako nakore na Ikipia. Akora kono wetako Karadi.
Na uko ndagwirire na wetha wongerea jitha tu.
Eni.
Kono ndagwirire ngui ikoga enyiterire kihwa.
Ikora kwa masaria.
Yes. Enyitagira kihwa ugo nigetha kuge. Yare kia muruaga. Ugaga baba yoiga yo ni ari oni kingangi. Nduria kuhana.
Yes.
Nduria kuhana. Na hindio by the way daga mundu cio nduonaga ire maicio.
Asa.
Wagithiete kuo maita tamana.
Mkumutwaraga kwanza. Iyo na mwakomboraga ngari mugithie.
Can you imagine? Wa mutwaraga tu na mwathie nake.
Ugakombora murata aku kamura kuhe ngari mwikire maguta.
Exactly. Na ugacoka wana hindi na mathaa ma kuinuka kaumira ukambata irima icio ciaku kwa ukamera it's so beautiful.
Yes.
So nice.
Yes.
Tiguo. Ati ukamwiraga nginya maũthĩ makwao. Ati Ngai nĩ ombĩte kũndũ gũkũ wega.
Ati imagine ile mataici uguo.
Ukamũragia atĩrĩ haiya. Ko karima gaka nĩ comedian ũkagegekĩra kĩrĩa ciayo.
Must
ciayo. Yes. And then when you have lived with her like for 3 years or 4 years,
you start you start getting to know the kind of person she is.
And that's when you remind her.
Yes.
If their place is not healing,
yes,
they wouldn't be having any media mast there.
All the media houses put their mast there because it is hidden.
It is hidden up there. And you tell her there was a time that you went there in the morning.
Yes.
And it is like you saw an edge on those masts.
Yes.
It's closer to heaven. It's closer to heaven.
Yes, just because you come from Githunguri kia Wairera. That is your ushago.
Ati umuritire ngoko yake ukomereirie. Yako moe komereirie. Riu tha icio wikaraga by the way na ngirita 30 nginya ta na ngirita 40. Sie nyamu-ini no itagwo kira thimu-ini yaku.
M-Pesa-ini.
Eni. Na wona tara menya M-Pesa ukacitwara nyamu ingi itagwo ya KCB wacitambiria kuu. Muturaga muthia nake uguo ukacitwara muico pesa pao. Kwana ndimenyaga akaendwa andu ndonete ina thimu-ini. Twalite uguo.
Oyo kuhaki ma password ma M-Pesa.
Eni.
Ni amenyire aroraga yaku uguo gikira.
Eni. Ona there is a guy who told me akijera mutumia yake ni genius. Ngimuria hau. Akijena arakorete na M-Pesa statement yake ra yothe heana gukuma kuria gwakiria.
Wa Safaricom.
Email-ini amuka. Hari gwatirira how the hell did she do it? And she was telling the man, was telling him,
yes,
na maundu kwenda gukuria no ri tonde nje gucoka gukuria rakareri
we uria wakiuga ndakira kawamba kundwira cirekeje tikwari andu matikwari maragia
na tukiaragia no ngwenda gukuria te kaje tukarageta gojeri muruta wira na kori ngiricho muganje ndonio gatumeire ciari ciake
haya na kae mano wendete kugirania ndeto mai riu ngiri mugwanja gutumira njeri ri ndunamba kumenyekana kuri mbeca turarutaga wira-ini ndiraneo ndirarundirero ni ngumutumira no kunegena tu
being the man who is on the defensive and knowing that you always delete those messages you keep on and you mouth agape wondering how did she know it that you sent and you deleted.
Yes, you had a disclaimer at the end of Daska. No le ujori atiriri we mpesa cia kwa gathi kumenya ati ni ndumeire njeri ngiri mugwanja ri na ni njeri tutaga wira nake uramenya ireku
nie na kuria by the way tondu riu nie ndi roho hutagio roho ngo njaragiria tondu nie tamaga giki hingo nie ndikiranogia.
That's because I'm 7,000. And you have lived together for 5 years.
Oh, you deleted and confirmed.
Yes. And you deleted the recycle. You emptied the recycle bin.
That's when you realize.
Yes.
She hacks to your M-Pesa account and she's asking for your statements.
Yes.
Yes.
To know that people you have been sending money.
And somebody come conveniently thinking it is you sending those M-Pesa to her
every week.
Hakire tene
yes
kana getha andu amahakaga nyamu ici
ni orakana ka haki password ya email yaku
ka haki yo
na we no wathite no werete Safaricom magutumagire M-Pesa statement yaku kiumia
ko thiini agetumira ma statement macia keikiria riu kuma hau
yes
agoka na magnifying glass
yes
or a fine tooth comb
to see all the girls and the women you have sent money
and those that is the lady
yes
you are saying that you are going to
they are present not
sure that you are going to slaughter a chicken that is sleeping on its egg.
Never.
Kira email.
Kira email yaku akwire irore tene.
Akwire irore tene. Mundu email ini cia kwatonya gutonya. Email ini.
Yes.
Atonya gakou.
Agathoma ma email maku.
No ma email cia ku ciothe.
Na ma statement ma bengi maku.
WhatsApp agithamiria we mwenyewe. There is a way that they do it.
Yes.
And when a message in your phone, it also reports to her.
Are you sure?
Yes. They are doing it.
Oh, no.
They are doing it.
Are you sure?
Very sure. They are getting a copy of all transactions that you are doing on your WhatsApp.
The conversations?
Yes. Conversations.
So if I try to...
Oh, when you see Mama Hangari keeping quiet and not talking, maybe she's...
You saw somebody who sent a photo. Yes.
Mudia nie ndirona arume othe tamari cokanirira makomiti suicide.
Yes.
Mere atiri undu ungi andu ani matukinyitie muico.
Undu othe.
Ele kai tu committee suicide.
Yes.
Na othe maiga ona turari acerere. Yes. Where is that can kill us?
Yes, all of us.
All of us. And
then we leave them alone.
Yes. After then discussion and discussing.
Yes.
With the other men.
Yes.
They come to realize the only thing that can kill them is just a woman, so they just go back
to the women, so they can die slowly,
so that they can die.
Yes,
waiting to go to hell.
Yes,
yes.
You live in hell, down here, up there you go, you live in hell, another hell.
Mudo ageze kinya nyamu cia kucia kiria.
Cia WhatsApp.
Ni no kwa Instagram akora wari oku. Kuona mudo.
Ena account yaku.
Ni.
Ugikira mudo agikudia DM kwa Instagram.
Kuhingura account yake agwikagiria mistari we mwenyewe.
Na mabicha.
Na bicha.
Come on, you want more photos?
Send me nudes. Send me one wearing bikini.
And she goes in the internet and downloads one and sends to you and you say like this. That is that emoji. That's
yes. And she even eats your fare. And you are in the same house. Tikwega. Orarega kumuhe mbia akaria fare.
Yaku.
Yani.
Akaigura metagwo mandui.
Akaigura ma fake accounts.
Ma fake accounts.
Arakuhingurira. Na araguikiria nyamu ino itagwo kiria.
request. Na wewe kona the girl who is there, you cannot resist that request.
Na kwele Mombasa.
Na kwela she frequents your place.
Yes, Nairobi.
Yes.
And she even knows Mebuli.
Yes.
Mebuli wewe kule guothe mutwarite tondu ni mukaguo ne mwinake nyumba. No cio no ri ono thije guko yake
komera irio munengere.
Oh. Yacha. Wala kumwe pesa cia njuire ukona ni athondeka. Ukariga gwatiriri.
Mbeca ri ararutire ku mbeca ndakire ndari mbia ri. Ararutire ku.
Na mwacemania yaku inira ritho guo.
Ukonia ire kine chonjo.
Chonjo. Na rarire fea. Ndora ingetie mafea wacoka turanira na my airtime. Ati na cia njuire. Ati akana cia nguo ciothe irokaga toto ngiri 6.
Tondu arakwirite te weekend ino ani ako happen gukorwo ari bypass.
Yes. Na ni akweta kana mpaka agiakoragwo enako. Eka na ba kweta.
Nginya ma WhatsApp mandikithitio
akoragwo enako aithite. Tamakakaria pia yakuega na nyumba.
Na mwenake hau.
Ebio?
Kwanza hoinya kono rio cereirwo guka we ari o nyumba. No ni wala chat na wage kwiraga ati ari o njira okite kuma Mombasa. Muico akahoria thimu. Ukainuka nawe gwaku ukainuka we mundu murakaru akuonaga hau uri oraria ntie kama. Ida to no wale.
Aite ngiri mugitha 3. Saturday yo.
Uramukirio kana mugithi.
Nena kanyabka na bali jistate.
Yes.
Abate agana nyamu itagwo kiria. Okay, mari nginya cia ndege na mari o nyumba.
Yes. Mundu akauga ati undumire ndigetha ndehe tigiti.
Wamuona uri hana ri. Wamuona ndwetiwe.
Athiite koya mabisa madokora ma South Africa. Na kuria na ma Ethiopia.
Na ma Ethiopians.
Yes.
Ni mwara guikeria. Aguikeria ma bisa ruta ma Instagram ine mandu. Na ko.
Yes.
Agora nie no njukire na ndege.
Nie mugithi dia muicore ndathi ndiona ndingiririkana niri. You take the whole day.
Yes. Wake mwirari wona nie gukwera return. Return.
Yes, just 45 minutes you are here.
Yes.
Kana gweterera pati I'll take an Uber.
Return ndo ne kira ne vote ne kindu ta 20 kindu na kou. Ngiri 20 kindu.
Yes.
Return. Wake muoera.
Ukamuikiria.
Ukamuikiria.
Yakwira ati ni agent wake.
Ni na agent wake.
Uria bukagira ndege.
Ndege. Kwire.
Nigetha ga plan nginya uria kuyo ni Uber hari ari.
Tamaka.
Nigetha to transfer.
Ucio kemuikiria no ame andu akemuikiria cia kiria.
Cia ati jiganeru.
Kogo no nginya njuire. No nginya ekire kiratu kieru.
Yes.
I look presentable for you.
Yes.
And now then you tell her that you are going to meet her in one of the posh hotels.
Yes.
Around Kiambu Road.
Yes.
Yes, or in town.
Yes.
Yes. And she tells you that she's very happy.
Yes.
And she's on the way coming.
Yes.
Yes. That's when you know the devil circumcised himself.
In the morning by the riverside. Before 6 in the morning.
Arita that vai.
Na mutumia na no we uragwetetie ngiri ngiri cia guthonda kwa njuire
mwirage ko nyumba
agekirwa ngawi wivu agekirwa wivu
na aratheka nae na karwere hau na aramenya that vai he andu cia ingira
ngiri that vai
ni kuma kuri we twira mbia twandi gukenda utira ngiuria kuri atindire ira ni njui twina mbeca muthuri
mbeca twina cio
wega tikwega
agakuroraga na kamwena uguo kamenya na gwititie ngiri igiri cia guthondekwo njuire uramwira ati nduri no no waikia wamucoka wamuikiria ingi 35
wamuikiria 35
na watinda haria area ya haria 1.7 ni
wetereire higa ria kuma kuri Ethiopia yuke
Mombasa
te Modigo ajaira wonagia andu merage Modigo ria wetereire ndio ni mukagwe nyumba Modigo ria wetereire ndio Modigo ria wetereire twina mbeca Gol. Kubaya.
Ndoko ndimutumira wiki.
Kubaya sana. Kubaya. Hizi lori na ajabu zita kwa kile ali. Mitandao.
Wala mtumia kwa wiki ya manudes.
Gagora wiki ya manudes. Na watu vya haku, muri orake haku. Oire aratheka na karwere.
Akamenya ngiri tafai we nawe. Ndigiru we no cio thia ku download kuria masaiti-ini ndigiruta watu huku eri. No riri hu.
Niguo.
Maica twina cio.
Are you talking about me? I've hacked both WhatsApp and FB.
Yes.
I manage his FB account.
Yes.
I operate his phone without SIM card.
Yes.
Pesa tuweka tunaambia.
Pesa tuelezo kama kawaida.
Thank you.
Shilingi 300 kuri andu 10.
10 people.
Na ithaa ria thinacara nginya thaa 1 andu 10 tumanegerie 10,000 na ithaa ria thaa 1 andu angi 10 tumanegerie